It's good to be back. In fact, a question that I get often asked is how can we make our meetings even more valuable? Allow me to share a few perspectives. In fact, there are 5 things that makes your meetings even more valuable. The first element that you need to go ahead and look at is how do you make your meetings more outside in? So therefore, how much of market intelligence that you're bringing into your meeting? What are those trends? What are those movements? What are those elements that can help you to go ahead and fine tune your business? The next 4 elements relate to 2 different areas where you can look at client insights and foresights as well as competition insights and foresights. So when you think about client insights and foresights, think about what is it that your clients are planning to go ahead and run a better business. And foresights is all about what are those future potential risks that they are planning to inoculate themselves against. When it comes to competition, insights are all about the moves that they are making in the market. Foresights are the strategies that they're putting in place. So the next time that you have a monthly meeting, make sure that you incorporate these 5 elements. Separate the data from the discussion. The data can be pre-read. It's only in the discussion that you would have a greater precision in what you want to do next. So I want to wish you well as you restructure your monthly meetings to make sure that it's extremely valuable for all of you. Let me know how these meetings go. Thank you.